Hi, my name is Lisa and I'm coming from Brixen in Italy. I'm here in Tenerife to do an Erasmus exchange, and it's really nice because how you can see it's beautiful and you can basically go to the ocean every day. But it's not just that, it's also working at Canary Green, which is really interesting because I'm meeting a lot of people who are starting their business, and they have so many innovative ideas that I would like to share with you, but maybe I will do that later. Working on SEO and digital marketing, and if you would like to join us, our team would be really happy because we need helping hands to protect this beautiful nature. And yeah, that's it. So I will see you soon, hopefully. Bye.